So let's continue here. So first you have to open book. Okay, so let's try again. Try CBSE academic.nic.in. Okay, click here CBSE academic. Now click on skill education, books, and secondary level. And this is a new study material. So click here. Okay, finally. So this is the chapter. Now we are trying to study what is the important topics in this area. Okay, so let me open chapter number third. Okay, ICT. Okay, in this unit, what is the important topics? So in this chapter only maximum topics covered in your part B unit 1. So same is here ICT use in business governance like e-governance in daily life, and here is the ICT tool. So it is not so important, but now I am marking here basic component of computer system. So here is hardware and software, both are important. So in hardware, input devices and output devices is very important. In the computer software, okay, so here is application software and operating software. So in the input devices and output devices, so here is the diagram. It is not so important, but the arithmetic logic unit, control unit, man memory, so these are important. Like here software, so in software the definition of software, so this is the definition of software, okay, particular task. And these are the types of software: system software, operating software. Assembler, compiler, interpreter is not important. Application software is, read only the definition of this software. Utility program is not so important, but here is the disk cleaner, disk defragment, and backup. So here these topics are very important. Now the storage, main important topic is primary and secondary memory. Here is the RAM, random access memory, and ROM. So kindly prepare this topic. This is the most important topic for the examination, and memory units also. Okay. Now here is the random memory explain and read only memory explained here. Okay. Now differences between the RAM and ROM. Random memory is a volatile memory and ROM is a non-volatile memory. And second, the storage device, we have hard drive, CD, DVD, pen drive, etc. And input output devices like keyboard, mouse, these all are input devices. In output devices we cover printer, scanner. Okay, sorry, scanner is not the output device, scanner is the input device. In output device, printer, like monitor, printer, speaker, etc. So these are display information to user. So these are the output device. And now these are the storage device like hard drive. So internal or external. So it is not so important for the examination purpose. Okay, and here is the key. So this keyboard already covered in your part B unit 1. So here's the output devices. So you have already prepared above. So it is not you not need to prepare here. Only read the name of the printers: inkjet printer, laserjet, daxjet, and storage drives. Now next is, okay, these are the utility program. Okay, so that's typing. If this is the second chapter, sorry, second unit in part B, rapid typing tutor. Okay, here's the performing basic computer operations. So how to start computer, how to shut down, these are the simple topics. And operating system, so we have already covered on. So you not need to read Windows, Linux here. Not need to read mobile operating system here. It is not important in the point of view of the examination. Okay, Windows and operating system, so this is important. So read here key how many default icon is here, and how to delete files permanently, and remember the shortcut key for this. So the shortcut key to permanent delete is shift plus delete. It is used to permanently delete the item. it will never move to recycle bin. It will directly move to out of the computer. So here is the process, kindly read it. And these are the some general operation in start button, shut down all program, search box, control panel according to Windows 7. Okay, creating a file, renaming files, these are the general operation, and these keys already discussed in part B, chapter 2, so unit 2. Now, next is, so these are the clicks, it is not so important. And using computer icon, connect to the word using the internet application. So just read the full form of these. URL, Uniform Resource Locator, application of internet like email, chattings. Okay, these are the general things. So kindly just read a little bit. Okay, internet browser. So first you come to know that what is the internet browser. A browser or internet browser is a program that is used to view the websites. Okay, so it is the definition of the web browser, and what is the website, what is the web page, all things are available here. Okay, so what is the use of tools, CC and VCC? So this is the very important topic according to examination. So kindly mostly prepare this topic also. Okay, introduction to social media. So here is not no important. Only remember the name of social media website like Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, Digital India, and cybercrime. So what is the hacking and what is the cyberbullying, cyber struggling? So kindly read only one line. You have to return only one line definition in examination like phishing, spamming. So that is very important question. Now we cover this. Okay, now time to next unit, entrepreneurship skill. So what is the entrepreneurship skills? First, what do you mean by this entrepreneurship? And second, what is the advantage and disadvantage of this? So let's start. And why we prefer entrepreneurship. So these are the three major questions from this chapter. Okay, here let's try types of business, manufacturing business, service business like this, and types of business. So here's the some business are given. Types of business or community according to community, micro, small, medium. So different criteria and different enterprises. Okay, so basic legal form according to legal, sole person, one person company, partnership, limited liability partnership company, etc. And based on sectors, so it is not so important. Here is important only what is the advantage and what is the objective of entrepreneurship. Okay, so these are the objective. So kindly read any 4 to 5. Okay, any 4 to 5 point, remember. And phase of the entrepreneurship development, so kindly read this field. Okay, these are the phases. And what are the challenges for the entrepreneurship? So read only 3 to 4 challenges from here. And next, characteristics, so it is not so important. But what is the advantages and disadvantages of the entrepreneurship? So kindly read. Wait. Okay, so what is the advantages of merit and demerit? So all thing is given here, like characteristic, role and rewards. So kindly read this: innovation, dynamic economic activity, risk bearing, okay, potential for profit. So read any four. Okay, now we cover the entrepreneurship skill. Now time to green skill. So in the green skills, what is in this chapter? Relationship between the society and environment. So it is totally based on the environment and save environment, ecosystem and factors causing imbalance like deforestation, ठीक है, degradation of land and soil, over exploitation of resources, industrial and atmosphere pollution. So these are the some pollutions here. And natural resources like air condition and तो एयर कंडीशन क्या है आपके रीजंस है. ओके, जैसे एयर कंडीशन में से टॉक्सिक जो गैसेस निकलती है, ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस, सो दे आर डैमेजिंग टू ओजोन लेयर. Okay, water conservation, land conservation, emergency conservation. Okay, green economy. So what do you mean by the green economy? Carbon trading, renewable energy, green buildings. So this is the very most important topic in this chapter, in this unit. That is the renewable energy, green building, waste management, land management, water management, and carbon trading. So kindly read. Okay. So finally, so what do we mean by the green building? So all things is given here. Okay, energy, green buildings, and clean transportation. The word mean that without comprising of the economic ecological aspect, we create option that promote. So kindly mark that green buildings, waste management, and land management. So remember three topics. These are the very important topic. So you have to explain it everything given in this unit. So kindly read. Okay. So thank you, student. We have covered all the important questions. So thank you.